welcome to another episode of the Little Red Barn, which is a series I hope to make. This is our second video, showing people how to make little crafts and different woodworking projects and work with glass bottles you might find while out cleaning up garbage, which is what we're doing today. We are out in a nature preserve picking up garbage. So I thought I'd just give you a test run to show you how these work. Let me see, where's some garbage? There's a can. See, you just poke it and pick it up. Put it in a trash bag. You don't have to touch it. Which work very well, and it'll save you $20 if you're not having to buy one. Very easy to make, and I'll show you how. So let's go back to the workshop and make you one. Be right back. Hey, so here we are back at the barn, and for this first step we're going to cut down this piece of 2x6, which is really just a piece of repurposed lumber we found on Craigslist. Someone was giving away. It's a great way to save money, save a tree, give a tree a new purpose in life, and save the landfill from being filled up. I highly encourage repurposed lumber, but you can use anything. You could go buy yourself some lumber or reuse an old shovel handle. This works well. It gives you something to grab onto. So we're going to cut this board into 4 even lengths. We'll get 4 sticks out of this, give them to friends, encourage them to go out in the woods, clean up a little bit, make the world a better place for us all. So stay tuned. We're going to cut this. We're going to put our safety glasses on first. Always encourage safety, and we'll be right back. Next step, we're going to find yourself a screw, decent sized screw. This is like a 1.5 inch screw. Everyone has them laying around, which we like to use because they're perforated and they grab into the garbage real well to help you pick it up. So we're going to cut the head off of this, and we'll show you why in a moment. So stay tuned. I might fast forward this so you don't have to watch the whole thing. And now that we have the end cut off the screw, we're going to pre-drill our stick right on the end, right down the middle. This is just so we can get the screw down in there. Then we're going to take our cut end and tap it down into the hole we just made. There you have it. You have a poker. Now, what I like to do is carve the end so you have a little handle to hang on to. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. So now we're going to carve the handle a little bit, give you something to hold on to. I like to use this electric planer, but you could use a skill saw or jigsaw just to cut the angles off the sides of the stick. So I'm going to do this. Rotate it around a little bit. poker. Now you could stain this if you want. Gives it a little custom look. And off to the woods you go. So I hope you like this video. Feel free to like and subscribe and follow along, as we'll be making other crafts, how to repurpose and other little things as I go. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and peace.